Hey everyone, it's Justin here with LethbridgeRealEstate.com. It is Friday, August 23rd, just doing our weekly update for the week. Nothing too crazy. It seems like everyone's enjoying whoop-up days and on holidays, so you'll notice the stats are a little bit different this week. I noticed that a bit of the amount of sales it really dropped this week, but still pretty steady. So let's dive into the numbers and see what's going on. So we had 50 new listings that did hit the market. So it's been consistently like right in that number, that 50 to 60 every week that hit the market. And the average prices was $290. We had a $120,000 one all the way to $570. So $290, $14 million worth of real estate hitting the market. Last 7 days we had 28 that sold final. That's the low part, right? Like that feels a little lower than the last few weeks. Average sales price was $331, which is good. That's a good price range for 28 sales. But yeah, I'd like to see a little bit more in the amount of sales there. And 331, I'll make this prediction. That's on the higher end of when things are going to sell. So I know there was that trend in the last few weeks. We've seen the property ladder of conditionals, getting offers and then rising on the prices. So this could be like a reset week. Like I've usually been saying, you go from the 300s to 350s. The 330s, once we hit that threshold, we might drop back down to a normal market. Let's just take a look here. Yeah, you can already see there's a bunch of the 200s and lower numbers, but so 296. So yeah, it dropped a little bit, and that's still pretty good though. 31 people averaged $296,000 that got offers on them this week, or received offers on them this week. They'll probably then that next week, we'll see a bunch of those sell final, and then I think a bunch of the 300s will get offers on them, 300s, 325s, etc. So all in all, pretty boring week. You can see this number. There's 60 people that dropped their prices. So sometimes when you're doing, selling your home, you're doing a bunch of marketing. You got good photos, you got videos, you got web presence, you've got open houses, you've got all this information, everything going out there, and it still hasn't sold yet, and the house looks good. Sometimes it's just the price, and some sellers are adjusting their price to try to get it sold a little faster. So 60 is quite a lot that dropped it, but yeah, it's a good strategy when you want it sold a little faster. And then I just had one real quick thing, because we had a long one last week, so I'll get out of the way. Our team is very close. I was pulling this up. This is our deal sheets that we kind of keep track of all of our deals, and yearly total, we're at $59.145 million with real estate sold this year. So if you have an $855,000 house you want to sell, just call us and get us over that $60 million mark. But yeah, in probably the next week we'll blow over that $60 million mark. So really awesome. It's been a good year for our team. So if you're looking for someone to help you buy or sell, we're the top real estate team in Southern Alberta, so we'll be able to help you do that. But that's it for me this week. Enjoy the rest of Whoop Up Days. And if you have any questions, leave a comment, send us a message on Facebook, Twitter, whatever you want. And if not, we'll chat with you next week. Again, it's Justin with LethbridgeRealEstate.com. Talk to you soon.